Right, I'm going to talk about the admin system and the technical construction of it. We have a Windows server which handles the databases and the coding, a lot of the management coding. We have a Unix server which handles security and storage for images and files, and we have a mail server and a DNS server dealing with domain names, email routing. And as an admin, your access to the system is through a web menu which allows you to create accounts, and from a created account you can build a website which is multiple pages, and we store the content, text content, in a database. We store the images on this server here, and we also have something called a mini card, which is just a single page. A website is linked with a menu, whereas a mini card is a single page. We also have something called a mini listing, which is really just a pointer to anything really. It's like a classified advert, so it's used for a keyword search type of retrieve. If you have a website, we give you some code, you put in a keyword, and it can go in the database and look for all the references with those keywords, and those we call mini listings. And that's really for business directories that you might want to create, document libraries, that kind of thing. There's also a database category system where you create your search categories. So you might have category 1, category 2, category 3. Do a search using a drop-down menu, search the database, comes back with results, and those results can be text, or they can be thumbnails to an overview page, which of course would have text on it. These are the four main functions of the system. 1 is the website, 2 would be mini cards, 3 would be mini listings, and 4 would be the database category system. And these are all fully integratable, if that's a word. You can integrate each of these into each other. So you could have a database category search system embedded into your website, or you could have mini cards. You could have 100 mini cards on one account. Lots of different functionality. We also provide you with a being an admin, you have a top level search facility which looks into all of the websites under this account, under this administrator. So you can do keyword searches on all of the websites under this administrator and provide those on a top level, kind of like a search engine type of site. And all of this functionality is built into the admin system.